Hello guys, good morning. It's Monday here. So as you can clearly see, let's jump into it. You can see I've already marked the high of the week. I've already marked the low of the week. It's like I said in my previous video I post, it's usually marked every Monday of the week. So as you can see, I've already marked it out. So what I'm anticipating now is to expect price to break below the low of the week to break. So like I told you from my previous video on Saturday. Like I said, I was expecting higher highs and higher lows, but if you to keep that momentum of a market structure, a bullish market structure, then this is exactly what I'm anticipating for the week, for today. So this is my directional bias for today. So I'm expecting a new low to form. It's my form on this level, on the next one. Then we get a pullback around this level, or likely we'll get a pullback at the low of the week. You see? So expect more lows to be formed. So I think that's what I'm anticipating for this week based on my weekly highs and lows after marking it. This is what I'm saying. So it might not play out in this manner. It might definitely broke below. Here might be the new low, and then price might at least retest back to the low of the week and then drop to the downside. But I'm seeing more of a sell for today, but I just have to allow it to play out. I just have to allow price action to play out. So this is my 4 hour time frame, as you can clearly see. So I'm going to fall down to 1 hour being my intermediate. So from my 1 hour, you can see exactly what's forming. For me, I've already seen an Nemo pattern form on top of this level. So if I'm to execute on my 15-minute time frame, I'm just going to go ahead and practicalize that on the 1 hour, which is the intermediate time frame. So if I'm going to sell, I'm definitely going to sell at this level. I'm going to be risking 30 pips to make 100 pips. So this is what I'm going to be doing on my 15-minute time frame, which is my entry time frame. So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be risking 30, targeting 100 pips, giving us a risk ratio reward of 3.33 risk ratio reward, which is a very good setup on any given day. So this is what I'm going to be doing on my 15-minute time frame. I'm going to be positioning shorts from my 15 minutes. So as you can see, here's my 15 minutes. So I'm going to, based on recency, I'm just going to take it to this direction. Obviously, when price touched this level, I was supposed to be selling, but it's not my usual time to sell because I'm waiting for London section to officially open. So this is what I'm going to be doing from my 15-minute time frame. I'm going to be risking 30 pips, then making 100 pips. And my entry position would be around 1.34500. So this is what I'm going to be doing. But I want it to be exactly 30 pips. That's why I'm still going back to putting the SL very currently, and then the TP risking 100 pips. So this is exactly how I'm going to be trading it if everything plays out. So this is how I'm going to be trading it. So this is what I'm going to be doing on my 15 minutes to go short. If it doesn't play out, that is also fine. Remember, I'm taking this, I'm seeing the setup based on the overall time frame, which is my 4 hour time frame. So this is what 4 hour is showing me. So this is what I'm going to be doing in a nutshell once everything aligns. Already, if I'm definitely to be selling, I'm supposed to be selling when this candle rejection happened on this level. I was supposed to be selling around this level. Let me highlight that quickly. So I was supposed to be selling around this level when price when price touched this level, triggered this 1.1.34500. I was supposed to be shorting from there. But based on the fact that I have to wait, be patient, allow it play out, then I'm going to be looking for my confluences. From this level already, I have two confluences. Then if I fall down to my entry time frame, I can see price action playing out from where I highlighted. You can see a Nemo pattern clearly being formed. So I was supposed to execute from this level, enter from this level, then go short. But I just have to allow it play out. So this is what my bias is for this week. If you want to understand and learn how I do these things and spot these levels, I just need you to follow, like, and subscribe for more.